All right, shalom, shalom. We are the real Hebrew Israelites coming day in and day out to prophesy the downfall of Babylon the Great, which is America. First off and foremost, all praises, honor, and glory be unto Yahawah, by Hashem, Yahushai, by Hashem, Kakadash. Double honors to thee, all the apostles of great millstone, salutations to the elect. Wherever you may be, Brother Shapaya coming at you again with a quick lesson through the Spirit. And I literally just happened to go past this video, so it's this this so-called black man, which he's really an Israelite. I believe he's from somewhere in Europe, but he travels to Pakistan, and the locals just embrace him like he's famous or something. All right, which is really the spirit, because let me just get the scripture. Let me start with this. It should be Romans. All right. Romans 8:19. For the earnest expectation of the creature waited for the manifestation of the sons of God. All right, and that creature is all creation, man. All right, everybody really wants to see who the sons of God really is. Matter of fact, all right, let me get it. Wisdom of Solomon 2. Start with 13. He professes to have the knowledge of Yahawah, and he calleth himself the child of the Lord. He was made to reprove our thoughts. He is grievous unto us even to behold. For his life is not like another man's life. His ways are of another fashion. We are esteemed of him as counterfeits. He abstaineth from our ways as from filthiness. He pronounced the end of the just to be blessed, and maketh his boast that Yahawah is his father. Let us see if his words be true. Let us prove what shall happen in the end of him. For if the just man be the son of God, he will help him and deliver him out of the hand of his enemies. All right. And first of all, that's how wicked and proud Esau is. He said, well, let's test it out. Let's see if this nigga or these children are the children of Yahawah. For you to have that thought process and not think about the repercussions, like, what if this is the children of the Most High? What do you do then? That shows you how arrogant and prideful Edom, really fucking is. All right, because Wisdom of Solomon 2 is the thought process of the wicked. All right? So even Esau himself, in so many words, want to see the manifestation of the sons of God. All right? What was the other one? And check this out. I believe it's Wisdom of Solomon as well. Wisdom of Solomon 5:4. We fools accounted his life madness, and his end to be without honor. How is he numbered amongst the children of Yahawah, and his lot is amongst the saints? Matter of fact, I'm going to start with verse 3. And they repenting and groaning for anguish of the spirit shall say within themselves, this was he who we had sometimes in derision, in a proverb, in a reproach. We fools accounted his life madness, and his end to be without honor. How is he numbered amongst the children of Yahawah, and his lot amongst the saints? So deep down inside, they know. All the heathens know, man. That's why, check it out. They just standing around this man like he's a fucking spectacle. All right? Hey, notice nobody gives a fuck about Esau Edom. Only one who gives a fuck about Esau Edom is this nigga right here. That's oh.
Very good. It's very sweet. Thank you. Well, let's go. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. Hello. Right, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but
Look, you see how to his left, these people just staring. The other group is just following them.
50 rupees for sugarcane. It's very sweet. So right now we're going to the mosque. I'm okay.
Okay. Fine. What is your name?
My name is Amir. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Muslim.
You can hold this.
Fine.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Zindabad.
Pakistan
Zindabad.
Pakistan
Zindabad.
Jia Jia.
Jia Jia.
Pakistan.
Oh, Pakistan.
Jia Jia.
Pakistan.
Jia Jia.
They're surrounded. First of all, this nigga going off. It's fucking Muslim. Fucking idiot. But I wouldn't know. Whatever. I guessed it.
Oh, you can talk if you want.
No, mehrbani.
Thank you. Well, as you can see, I'm with a bunch of locals with my friend. Wow. Oh, okay.
Esau got his fucking head down.
Started already? Yes. Okay, hello. Yeah. Okay, well, we have to continue. One picture. 50 rupees.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, we're getting in photos. Right, hello. Yeah, no problem. Okay, shukriya.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
This nigga, London accent with the hardest fucking Arabian accent. Like Jake. Fucking Jake is gone, man. But nonetheless, the moral of the story is just look how the locals are embracing him. Not the fact that he's Muslim. He didn't even have to tell him that. Just because he's a nigga in Pakistan. Because that Middle East, that Fertile Crescent, that area that's our homeland, man. Not Pakistan itself, but we're from that region.
Okay, where's my friend? Let's go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the camera. Thank you. Yes. Black man, the traveler. You have your phone?
Yes. English dear Anara.
Okay. And then you can show everybody, yeah?
Yes. It is
wow.
spelling.
Black man? Black man?
Black man.
Can you hold? Can you hold?
And
Black man.
movie. Crime. Meme.
Black man.
This one.
Subscriber.
As soon as we, oh wow, everyone's following us. I'll carry on the video as soon as we. Right, I'm going to turn off the camera because we have too much attention over here. So what I'm going to do, I carry on the video as soon as we, oh wow, everyone's following us. I'll carry on the video as soon as we get inside the masjid. Hello? Okay, just 1 second. All right, guys, see you guys soon. Look at this. We have all these people here. Wow. Look at these guys touching me over here. These guys have never seen a black man.
Fucking nuts. Like, this shit is nuts, man. So imagine when we are in our right mind in the kingdom of heaven, man. Matter of fact, where is it? Is it Numbers? All right, this is Numbers 24. 14. And now behold, I go unto my people. Come therefore, and I will advertise thee what this people should do to thy people in the latter days. And he took up his parable and said, Balam, son of Beor, hath said, the man whose eyes are open hath said, he hath said, which heard the words of Yahawah, and knew the knowledge of the Most High, which saw the vision of the Almighty falling in a trance, but having his eyes open. All right, so the Lord showed him a vision. I shall see him, but not now. I shall behold him, but not nigh. There shall come a star out of Jacob, and a scepter shall rise out of Israel, and shall smite the corners of Moab, and destroy all the children of Sheth. And Edom shall be a possession. Seir also shall be a possession for his enemies, and Israel shall do valiantly. Out of Jacob there shall come he that shall have dominion, and shall destroy him that remaineth in the city. All right? Go read Daniel, the 7th chapter. And when he looked on Amalek, he took up his parable and said, Amalek was the first of the nations, but his latter end shall he perish. And he looked out the Kenites and took up his parable and said, strong is thy dwelling place, and thou puttest thy nest in a rock. Nevertheless, the Kenites shall be wasted until Asher until Asher shall carry thee away captive. And he took up a parable and said, alas, who shall live when Yahawah doeth this? All right, it says, ships shall come from the coast of Shittim, and shall afflict Asher, and shall afflict Eber, and he shall perish forever. And Balaam rose up and returned to his place, and Balak also went into his place. All right, so Jacob is going to have great glory, starting with Yahawah Shai. All right, matter of fact, it was a part where he said he wished he was like, I'm going to hit verse 5. How godly are the tents of Jacob, and thy tabernacles, O Israel. Let's see. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Hey, Jacob's going to be blessed in the end. All right.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Guys, we got harassed. Some food over here, apparently.
All right, and I just happened to I was just scrolling and I seen that, man. Like, Jacob's the salt of the earth, man. As much as Psalms 83 has happened and these heathens try to kick us down, at the end of the day, they want to see the manifestation of the sons of God. All right? They want to see Israel on top. Because, when we're in rulership, and I'll end it on that. Proverbs. So, when the righteous are in authority, the people rejoice, but when the wicked bear rule, the people mourn. So, we're coming to those days when the righteous is going to be set up, and we should have dominion forever, starting with Yahawah Shai, King David, and the rest of the elect, and the world will be at peace. The other nations are waiting for it. All right, so with that, let me see. It's a video. Basically, a Middle Eastern woman. Some brother could post it on the comment board. And just calling for the blacks to return back to the land. In so many words. Alright, so with that, all praises, honor, and glory be unto Yahawah, Ba'ashem Yahushai, Ba'ashem Karkadash. Double honors to the elder apostles, a great millstone, and salutations to the elect, whoever you may be. Abba, Babal.